Is that what Jevon picked up? Come with a surfboard? It's mine.
Cruising down the road in my old beat-up car. Don't know where we're going, but I hope that we get far. Driving till we're out of sight, leaving all our bags behind. Cause we know we all need this right now. No more feeling sorry for myself. I don't want another rainy day. I got no regrets about the things I've done. I simply wanna run away. Don't slow us down, we're not stopping now. We're in the fast lane and we're mixing lemonade. Yeah, we're leaving this town, feeling so alive. Got some friends up in my ride, breaking all the rules. Yeah, we're playing it cool. Yeah, we're wasting our time. Na 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 na. Windows down, hair blowing in the wind. Minding our own business, no cares about anything. And if it rains, let it rain. I brush it off, make it go away. Cause we know we all need this right now. No more feeling sorry for.
First start up. Massive thanks to my partner for buying the car and supporting the build. Tio's panels for the paint jobs, as you can see on both cars. And Goose's Autos for the shop to build them in. Appreciate it.